this is Antonio with Enhanced Movements, Boulder County's premier chiropractic pain and injury consultant. We help people eliminate pain, get stronger, and move better. We service the areas of Boulder County, Boulder, Lafayette, Louisville, Longmont, all the way out to Thornton and even Denver. We do remote consultations for those that are not near us and want to be able to get those same results. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. This is our Movement Mondays. We're coming out our backyard today because it's a beautiful Colorado day and we got to get that vitamin D and get outside. We're talking about bottoms up kettlebell presses today. This is a phenomenal full body exercise, to be honest. If you haven't done it, do it and you'll know what I mean when we say full body exercise. But more importantly, what we're talking about today is shoulder strength and shoulder stability. So the kettlebell, by nature, and the reason why so many people like it is because it's versatility, all of its weight is offset from the handle. A dumbbell, right, if I had a dumbbell, the handle would be in the middle and the weight would be evenly distributed on each side. So it's a little bit more balanced depending on what you're doing. So that being said, if we flip this thing upside down and we hold it, that weight's going to wobble a little bit, creating this unstable environment, forcing a lot of stability through the shoulder, the rotator cuff, and again, honestly, through the whole body. When you do this, and you do it right, you should feel everything almost immediately kind of like zip and lock up. If you don't, and you're feeling wobbly, then you intentionally try to zip and lock up. The more tension you can create, the more control you'll be in. Okay, so this is what a bottoms up hold looks like. The bottoms up hold is the precursor so that you can then do bottoms up presses, you can do bottoms up carries, you can do just marching in place, anything that's going to add a little bit more dynamic to it to make it more challenging. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this up, we're going to flip it upside down. Okay, so if you need to, use your other hand for a little bit of balance. I'm going to show you first of all, see how this is in line with my shoulder. I'm not way out and I'm also not across. From a side view, I want to try to bring this elbow up to 90 degrees from the shoulder. I don't want to be shrugging. That's going to create more instability, to be honest. Once you start shrugging, you're going to feel more wobbly, okay? I'm going to bring that up 90 degrees everywhere, and we start by just holding and breathing. Now, I put my opposite arm out here just for a little bit of balance and control. This should be tight. You should feel like this is pinned down, and you're just nice and packed. And we breathe and hold. Good. Notice I'm already starting to shake a little bit. That's good. So I need to fight that shake to try to stay stable. Okay. Now, again, we gave some options. Is if you're starting to feel good with this, you can add some marching in place. You can go for bottoms up carries, right? Me walking, just shifts and center of mass and changes. And then ultimately, if you can get to some bottoms up presses. Nice and controlled down. Up. Okay, so if you're looking for another element to challenge your shoulder strength and shoulder stability, bottoms up carry is definitely a good option. Obviously you need a kettlebell to be able to do it. A dumbbell is not going to really give you the same benefits. If you have shoulder pain, I would highly suggest you consult with a rehab provider, whether that be someone in your local community, whether that be us through like a telehealth session or something like that, so that we can give a little bit of better direction whether this would be a good option for you. But as always, we're here to answer those questions. We're here to give some recommendations. You're more than happy to reach me on my cell phone, 303-520-8974. Message us through our platforms, Facebook, Instagram, or on our website. And again, we're here to help you. As your pain and injury consultant, we want to be able to give you the best recommendations so that you can get back to the things you want to do. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll check with you guys later.